So for the ping and trace route assignment, I decided to do the google.com example provided in the video from my Pearson. And these are the results that I got. It appears that, well, it is substantially fast to access to the computer on google.com. 32 seconds, the bytes of information, how it goes to the computer and comes back to me. But I wanted to make this a little bit more interesting, and I try using ping for the City Hall website in Spain, in Madrid, and I couldn't obtain information, and apparently is because of the firewall that they have. That's why I tried to do it with Google first, to see if the issue was my command prompt, but no, Google worked, and it didn't with the administration of Spain. And same happened, interestingly, with the State Department here in the United States. I was also not able to retrieve information using the command prompt. But for using the trace route, it is interesting. I did Google, and the number of hops that it took to reach Google, it appears to be 9. I was obtaining other information, but here is where the number of hops that it took to reach google.com. And then I tried the same with the website from the State Department. It started to also add the 9 hop to tell me that I couldn't reach any more. This is the amount of hops that it probably took me to reach the State Department when the firewall was probably activated, which is a lot less than City Hall in Madrid. As it can be seen, it went all the way to 13, and that's when I assume the firewall was activated. It appears that the bits of information arrived to Phoenix, then Dallas, Atlanta, and then I am not 100% sure of these two, but it reached all the way to Madrid. And then once it got to Europe, that's when I guess the firewall was activated. So I couldn't obtain more information as I did with Google. And it's interesting, if I go to Google and I type for Madrid and I click on it, it kind of took a couple of seconds more, even though the website is already saved there. And if I do State Department, it just directs me there. If I go to Google, State Department, it appears to be faster than what it took me to get to the City Hall of Madrid, which is all the way in Spain. That just reflects on the amount of hops that it took for the bits of information from my request to reach the computer in Madrid, in contrast to the State Department here in the United States. So I thought that was interesting to see how long the difference is minimum, but it is noticeable. See the difference in how long it takes to retrieve information from Spain than from the United States. Thank you.